Hi friends, this video shows how to fix the issue app is not showing in the home screen and apps and games section. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. So here you can see YouTube app is not showing here in the home screen. If you go to your apps and games section, here also YouTube app is not showing. I will show you how to fix it. Go to home screen, then open App Store. We can go to your apps and games section. From there also we can open App Store. Open App Store. Then go to App Library. Here we can see all the apps which we installed. So here we can see YouTube. It shows that YouTube is already installed, but it not showing in the home screen or your apps and games section. Select YouTube here, then press menu button on the remote button which has three straight lines on top. Press that menu button, then select show on your apps. Select this option, show on your apps. Done. Then go to home screen, then go to your apps and games section. Now here we can see YouTube app. Select it, then press menu button on the remote button which has three straight lines on top. Press that button, then select move to front. Then go to home screen. See, now we can see YouTube app here in the home screen, and here also in your apps and games section. Here also we can see YouTube. So this way we can fix this issue. App icon is not showing in the home screen and your apps and games section. Please check it.